Little Bear goes to the moon. I have a new space helmet. I am going to the moon, said Little Bear to Mother Bear. How? Asked Mother Bear. I am going to fly to the moon, said Little Bear. Fly? Said Mother Bear. You can't fly, birds fly, said Little Bear. Oh yes, said Mother Bear. Birds fly, but they don't fly to the moon. And you are not a bird. Maybe some birds fly to the moon. I don't know. And maybe I can fly like a bird, said Little Bear. And maybe, said Mother Bear, you are a little bear little fat bear cap with no wings and no feathers. Maybe if you jump up, you will come down very fast with a big pop. Maybe, said the Little Bear. But I am going now. Just look for me up in the sky. Be back for once, said the Mother Bear. Little Bear thought, I will jump from a good height far up into the sky, and far up. I will be going too fast. I want to look at things, so I will shut my eyes. Little Bear climbed to the top of the hill and climbed to the top of that hill with the tree, a very little tree on the little hill, and shut his eyes and jumped. Down he came with a big pop, and down the hill he tumbled. Then he sat up and looked around. My, he said, here I am on the moon. The moon looks just like the earth. Well, said the Little Bear. The trees here look just
The trees here look?
The trees here look just like our trees. The birds look just like our birds. And look at this, he said. Here is a house that looks just like my house. I'll go in and see what kind of bears live here. Look at that, said Little Bear. Something to eat is on the table. It looks like a good lunch for a little bear. Mother Bear came in and said, but who is this? Are you a bear from the earth? Oh yes, I am, said the Little Bear. I climbed a little hill and jumped from a little tree and flew here just like the birds. Well, said the Mother Bear. My Little Bear did the same thing. He put on his space helmet and flew to Earth. So I guess you can have his lunch. Little Bear put his arms I want Mother Bear. He said, Mother Bear, stop fooling. You are my Mother Bear, and I am your little bear. Now, and we are on Earth, and you know it. Now, may I eat my lunch? Yes, said the Mother Bear. And then you will have your nap, for you are my little bear, and I know it.